In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can close apps here on a MacBook Pro. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's three different methods to go ahead and do this. We're going to be going over all three, starting off with method number one, and we're going to use Google Chrome as an example for all of this. But essentially, if you look at your dock right here, and if Chrome is open, for example, you'll see this little like dot underneath it on the dock itself. Essentially, just go ahead and right click it or two-finger click on it, and a small menu is going to pop up where you can go ahead and hit quit. Whenever you do that, the dot will disappear, meaning the app is no longer running. You can do the exact same thing for any app here in the dock. Now, let's say an app is frozen or not responding though. What you're going to want to do is press Command Option Escape on your keyboard, and it's going to bring up the Force Quit Applications tab. Select Google Chrome, for example, hit Force Quit, and it'll go ahead and close that app immediately. Now, there's also another way to manage background apps. Essentially, go ahead and hit Command and then Spacebar, just like so. Type in Activity Monitor, hit Enter, and open it up, and then search for your app up in the top right. From here, go ahead and find that app, and then go ahead and just hit this like little stop or X button up at the very top, and it'll go ahead and quit it or force quit it as well. This is super useful if you want more control or if an app isn't showing up in the dock. But that is it. That is how you can close apps here on your MacBook Pro. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.